This is the Freescape Camp Saw. The innovative design lets you fold this off flat while remaining completely assembled using no extra tools. Its slim size when folded makes it simple to store in a pack or a gear bag without threat of lost parts. Apply the sturdy blade to cut through larger diameter wood. Its structure lets you work with the full length of the blade for the most efficient use of your energy. Replace the standard 12-inch blade easily when needed. The saw's grippy rubber handle stays firmly in your hand as you go. This is the Freescape Camp Saw.
The Pocketboy 130 is a lightweight and compact folding saw, perfect for pruning and clearing trail on your hike or bike ride. It's nicknamed the Little Giant due to its extraordinary cutting capacity and a small package. The 5-inch blade is taper ground to reduce resistance, which gives it a smoother, easier, and faster cut of limbs up to 3 inches in diameter. With 4 cutting angles along its length, the Pocketboy can rip cut, cross cut, and slant cut, leaving a smooth surface. With impulse-hardened teeth, the blade stays sharp about 3 times longer than the non-hardened teeth and is resistant to rust and the effects of pitch and resin. The rubber handle is comfortable to hold, reduces vibration, and offers superior grip when your hands are wet, cold, or wearing gloves. The Pocketboy will take up very little room in your pocket or backpack, so don't leave home without it on your next adventure.
The Nordic Pocket Saw is the most award-winning pocket-sized hand-powered chainsaw. It's tough, powerful, and packable. It's lightweight, and the handy case makes it easy to take along with you, making it a reliable companion for exciting outdoor activities.
When I'm out in the outdoors, no matter what I'm doing, I'm always bringing some essential tools. They are the knife, an axe, and then of course a saw. With the Nordic Pocket Saw, I have a very small and powerful piece that I easily can carry in my pockets or in my backpack and have easy access to whenever I need it.
The saw provides smooth and effective cutting in both directions. The strong and durable nylon handles ensure a safe and comfortable grip. With the Nordic Pocket Saw, you can easily cut hard-to-reach branches. You can also use the Nordic Pocket Saw for dragging logs. The chain is made from heat-treated high-carbon steel. Laboratory strength tests prove that the Nordic Pocket Saw cope with forces up to 5,940 Newton and 20 times the power of normal use. To summarize, Nordic Pocket Saw is practical, effective, and durable. Nordic Pocket Saw. It's just raw, compact power.
Introducing razor-tooth saws from Corona. Razor-tooth saw blades are engineered with high-carbon Japanese SK5 steel. They have up to 6 teeth per inch to cover more cutting surface with fewer strokes. Each saw tooth is triple ground, providing 3 multifaceted angles for easier cuts. And the focused impulse hardening process on the teeth maintains sharpness even after multiple cuts. Razor-tooth saws also have a final hard chrome layer applied to the blade, which reduces friction during the cut. This also provides a rust preventative layer for longer life.
The Silky Bigboy 2000 saw is the ultimate outdoor adventurer's tool. With its 14.2-inch blade and rubber-cushioned double-fist handle, you'll have all the cutting power you need at your fingertips. The Bigboy is equipped with a perfectly balanced, uniquely shaped, nickel-plated blade. The low-angle curve on the blade enables cutting branches smoothly and quickly as the extra-large cutting teeth naturally dive into the wood fibers on the pull stroke. Like all Silky saws, the Bigboy features impulse-hardened and tapered ground teeth for easier and faster cutting performance and improved durability. The long rubberized handle is comfortable to hold with one or both hands, reduces vibration, and offers superior grip when your hands are wet, cold, or wearing gloves. The Bigboy 2000 is ideal for trail building, car camping, snowmobiling, and other motorized outdoor adventures in the woods.